Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. My name is Iris and today I was going to recolor my locks. Now I did this color in December, so this is the Adore Ginger color that I used in December. And you're probably wondering why are you coming back using it again? Because I feel like it faded a lot. I'm still using my same shampoos, which is like a peppermint shampoo, so I believe it's constantly stripping this from my hair. So I just wanted to refreshen the color. I believe it's still there, but just not as vibrant as it used to be. So I'm going to go ahead and reapply it. So you do have to do this on shampoo towel dried hair. So I did just wash my hair and I clarified it with my Suave clarifying shampoo. So I tried to get rid of everything that was already on it. So I feel like that stripped the color even more by using that shampoo. I used to be a redhead, so I know color fades, especially when it's a semi-permanent color, because I had to constantly keep adding that red dye back into my head because it was semi-permanent, and it was just washed out constantly with each time I shampooed my hair. So I'm pretty used to this, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and add this to my hair. I do have some gloves here so I don't mess up my hands. And also from the last video I recorded about this was the clip that was missing in the beginning, so I'm definitely trying to record it this time so you can see me actually applying the color. So I'm actually applying the color to mostly just the ends of my locks, which have the lighter color on it, because my roots are black, so I know that this color is not going to lift or anything, so it's not going to matter if I do apply it to my roots. And I know people do like something that's called like an overtone, where you kind of add conditioner to this and you can refresh the color by adding conditioner and adding the color in. But since I have locks, I don't want to do that, so I'm just deciding to go ahead and just do the process like this all over again to refresh the color. So I've gone ahead and added the color all over, tried to saturate it as much as possible. So this is what it's looking like right now. So now I'm just going to apply a shower cap so we can process for at least 15 minutes. T-shirt turbans. So I'm going to add this on top so I can just add some more added heat so I can actually process the color.